Hello and welcome back to School of Stock Markets YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with another stock research for all of you. But before starting the video, I would like to mention a disclaimer. These stock research videos that we make for you consist three things: factual information about the company's business which we derive from the company's website or from the other media houses. Secondly, we use some factual figures about the company which we derive from the company's website or from other media houses. And third thing is our opinion about the company. In no way these videos are intended to give you any stock advice or tips. One should always do its own research before investing or trading in the stock market. So let's start the video. So today the stock under consideration is Mustech. So Mustech is an IT company. If we read about the company, Mustech is a provider of vertically focused enterprise technology solutions. Having its presence in IT industry for almost 4 decades, Mustech Limited has evolved from an IT solution provider to digital transformation partner. So earlier Mustech was giving just IT solutions to the company. Now they completely digitalize the offices and the workspace of the companies, right? So they have transformed their business. They have increased the approach of their business, right? So this is a good thing that we don't find in many companies. They are evolving with the time and requirement of the time. So if we see in detail on the company website that what they have to say about themselves, so you can see Mustech is an enterprise digital and cloud transformation specialist that engineers excellence for customers across 40 countries. So they are not just present in 1 or 2 countries, they are present in the 40 countries. So this is a really desirable and really good thing about a company. When you operate in limited countries, what happens if that particular country took a economical hit or any other kind of circumstances happens in that country which is not good for the business, that company takes serious hit. But the companies like Mustech, which have their presence in over 40 countries, it is hard for them to go down, right? Because you need to literally, for having bad economies in 40 countries means globally everything is going down, with then no company is surviving, right? So it is like a really safe company because they have their business present in 40 different countries. So for them to go down, 40 economies have to go down, which is, I think, nearly impossible. If that happens globally, everything will go down. So then there is no fault of the company, right? Reading ahead, they have their presence in some developed and really powerful economies like UK, Europe, US, Middle East, Asia Pacific, and India, right? India and Asia Pacific, China, India, these are the growing countries, right? Fast developing countries around the world. And then Middle East, we consider UAE and Saudi Arabia in the Middle East. These are the people, those who invest a lot in the digital space, right? So it is a good to have business there. And UK, Europe, US, these developed countries are always fast forward in the technology. So they have presence in the right 40 countries. Having presence in the 40 countries is a different thing, and having presence in the right 40 countries is a really good thing. So they have really good presence in the 40 good countries, right? They help enterprises navigate the digital landscape and stay competitive by unlocking the power of data, modernizing application and accelerating digital advantage for our customers. So they modernize the application, like if you say in today's time everybody is doing work from home, right? So for that we need really modern technology and applications so that one person can do work for company from home and yet not disclosing the data of company to other. So right, company are trying to protect their privacy of the data that they provide to their employees, and they want employees to work from home. If an employee is coming to the office, then everything is stored in the company's office, right? In their laptops, in their computer systems. But when someone is working from home, even if you provide them the laptop and all, they can easily, copy and share that some confidential data of the company. But when you have some company who are giving you modernized applications and technology, it is hard to do that, right? So they work in that space. They also give cloud services, right? Cloud services, I think most of you must have heard about the cloud services. So the thing is that right now, earlier what used to happen, everything was recorded on papers, but now as the world is evolving, we are recording everything and maintaining records in clouds meaning the data from the computers. So it is hard for a company to have a lot of data space for them. Like if you see, if we create a video or if we write a document, it consumes a space of almost 14 KB to 50 KB. If you create a document on the Microsoft Word, it will easily use the space of 40 to 50 KB. Now think about the lakhs of employees working in a company. If all of them making 5 files a day of such size, then they need a huge storage space, right? So cloud services allows them to store their data on the cloud servers, right? So they also work in that. Apart from that, if we see what is the important things that their impact on the world, they are saying they helping to cut crime and serious organized crime. We designed, built and manage the UK's strategic national DNA database that helps forensics and law enforcement authorities investigate and prevent crime. So they are helping UK in that. And that wellness with superior customer experience. We design and build secure, scalable, robust, multi-country, multi-language e-commerce channel for a US based global diagnostic system manufacturer. So you can see that they are making something really great in their working space. Help organizations save billions with Oracle Cloud transformation. With our rapid Oracle Cloud implementation and reduced migration efforts, we enable organizations modernize their business, reduce operating cost and drive value creation. So if now we move to the services that they provide, different services that they have, you can see here 5 different services they give. Digital and application engineering, they are developing application interface for the companies. They are Oracle and enterprise apps, so they are developing apps and giving the Oracle cloud services. I have explained, they are giving that. Digital commerce and experience, so we just now read about the digital commerce thing here. So they are giving scalable, robust, multi-country, multi-language e-commerce channel, right? So digital commerce and experience, they give that in this one. And then data automation and artificial intelligence and cloud enhancement services, they also enhance your clouds, make them work faster and let them store more and more data, right? So they have wide range of verticals in their business. If we move to the industries that they operate in, then you can see another time 5 industries are here that they have mentioned. Public sector and government, we just now read that they are helping UK's law enforcement authorities, right, in detecting and preventing crimes. So that is public and government sector. So they do have presence in that. Then healthcare and life sciences, they have their presence in that. Also retail and consumer sector, manufacturing and technology and financial services. So you can see not just they are present in the 40 countries, they are also present in the different industries, and in different industries also they are providing 5 different sort of services. So very diversified portfolio of business they have, which is a really good thing and really impressive thing. This is the thing which impresses me most about a company, right? But now, before thinking that this company looks too good, we also have to see the numbers. Okay, you can do business in the 50 different countries, you can have 50 different industries and 1,000 different services, but if numbers are not good, then all this is just garbage, right? So let's see what are the numbers. Do the numbers supports their portfolio of the businesses? If yes, then this company is really a great investable company in my opinion. So let's move to the numbers. So here we can see the numbers of the Mustang Technologies, and here you can see the, okay, so this is a service sector company. So I think assets and all doesn't matter much in these companies. We should move to the profit and loss statement, right? So here you can see revenue from the operations has increased. You can see almost 65.186 lakh in rupees. The revenue from operation increased, and overall revenue also you can see after adding other income, their total income is has also increased, and increased a great amount, right? You can obviously expenses will increase to increasing the revenue. And if we'll look at the total comprehensive income for the year, you can see it has increased. It has almost increased by 3-folds, right? 3x. It was around 12,148 lakh rupees in the previous year, and this year you can see 38,884 lakh rupees. So it is a great almost 3-fold increase in their total comprehensive income. This is a great thing they have done, the great thing they have achieved. So really impressive here, right? And if you'll move to the cash flow from the operations, you can see net cash generated from the operating activities has also increased by almost 10,000 lakh. So it is really impressive thing. It's a really good thing to have in a company that their net cash from the operating activities is increasing. Means they are able to generate cash, not just profit, but also able to generate cash from their operating activities. So it is a really impressive thing. So now I can say that their portfolio of the business, in which they have 40 countries, they have 5 different services and 5 different industries, do get support from the numbers of this company. So it is a really desirable investment for me, but you should also do your own research before investing or trading in the stock. But yeah, from my point of view, this is a great investment opportunity. I will definitely invest if and you can see the cash and cash equivalents at the end of the year. Here you can see that has also increased, which is also a good thing. But the main thing is cash flow from the operating activities, which is good. Their revenue and their income after all the taxes and expenses is also increasing, and increased almost threefold. So really impressive investment opportunity I can see here. And now if you will move to the bullet points that we have made for you, that what are the things which we found really impressive about this company, then you can see the market capitalization of this company is 7,399 crore. The enterprise value is good compared to the market cap. It is 7,191. Their promoter holding is fair enough, not too much. They have diluted because they have presence in so many countries. That's why these sort of companies generally do dilute their stocks to expand their business into different countries and different continents. So this is okay, but the important thing is promoters has 0% shares held as pledge, right? And earning per share, if you see 98.32 rupees per share their earning is. So this is great. Their P, if you compare it to the industry price to earning, their price to earning ratio is fair enough, pretty close to it. So it is good. And then return on equity, brilliant, 31.44% is a really good return on equity, and return on capital employed is also really good. That debt to equity is really low, means that they have really less risk coming from the debt side. So equity owners having less risk on their equity investment, which means they are desiring less returns, still they are getting good returns. So it is a really good thing. And then consistent high return stock over 5 years in Nifty 500. So in Nifty 500, they are giving highest return. In Nifty 500 index, there are 500 stocks. In that, they are the one who are consistently giving highest return from the past 5 years, not 1 or 2, but from the 5 year. Rising net cash flow from operating activities, we have seen that before also. It is really good. Good quarterly growth in the recent result also we have seen. They have increasing revenues, growth in net profit, and increasing profit margin. We have seen that, right? We have seen that. It is a really good thing. They have low debts. We have seen here just 0.31% debt to equity ratio. It is a good thing. Really impressive, I would say. They have revenue increasing every quarter for the past 4 quarters, increasing profits from the past 4 quarters, strong cash generating ability from core business, improving cash flow from operation for last 2 years. We have seen that, right? And that annual net profit improving for last 2 years. Even we have seen that it has increased almost threefold. It is brilliant. Book value per share is also increasing. Company with 0 promoter pledge, and FII and FPI or institution increasing their shareholding. You can see foreign institutional investors investment stand at 6.62% the company. So overall, this company is really good. They have diversified business portfolio, and their numbers do support that diversified portfolio. So for me, it is a good company, but you should do your own research before investing or trading in any stock. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do comment and tell us what you like most about the videos. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. We'll see you again in the next video.